Why, hello there! Thank you for watching my channel one more time. I don't really have an English accent, but I thought you might like it. It's a good little accent. Really, really bad. Don't listen to me, Grandma. Alright, time to get serious. This is song number 21 called Meant For Me by Jewel.
I feel so far away from where I've been. I got my eggs, I got my pancakes too. I got my maple syrup, everything but you. I break the yolks and make a smiley face. I kinda like it in my brand new place. I wipe the spots above the mirror, don't leave the keys in the door. I never put wet towels on the floor anymore, 'cause dreams last for so long, even after you're gone. And I know that you love me, and soon you will see you were meant for me, and I was meant for you. I called my mama, she was out for a walk, sold a cup of coffee, but I didn't want to talk, so I picked up the paper. It was more bad news, more hearts been broken, more people being used. Put on my coat in the pouring rain. I saw a movie, it just wasn't the same, and they were happy and I was sad, and it made me miss you oh so bad, 'cause dreams last for so long, even after you're gone. And I know that you love me, and soon you will see you were meant for me, and I was meant for you. I go about my business, I'm doing fine. Besides, what would I say if I had you on the line? Same old story, not much to say. Hearts are broken every day. I brush my teeth and put the cap back on. I know you hate it when I leave the light on. I pick up a book and I turn the sheets down and take a deep breath and a good look around. Put on my PJs and hop in a bed. I'll have a life, but I'm mostly dead, and I try to tell myself I'll be alright. I shouldn't think anymore tonight, 'cause dreams last for so long, even after you're gone. And I know that you love me, and soon I know you will see you were meant for me, and I was meant for you. You were meant for me, and I was meant for you.
So, thanks for tuning in. Love all of you guys very much. Mwah. I do. Thank you so much for all your support. This is song number 21. Yeah, baby.